Burpees! Hey, this is Derek Crane. Welcome to Tutorial Tuesday. Today on Tutorial Tuesday, we're gonna go over the burpee. Now don't go running away screaming, ah, burpees! They're actually very phenomenal for the body and a great exercise that you can do anywhere. It's a full body exercise, so you're literally working every single muscle group. You're working your legs, quads, glutes, hamstrings, hips, all the way up through your entire core, all the way up to your upper body, to your shoulders, chest, tris, biceps, strengthening everything up. And this is an exercise that you can take with you anywhere you go. You can just add it into your routine. So I'm just gonna show you it. Just do a full burpee, and then we'll go over the technique here. So that's a burpee. Well, what we got going on there is, let's go ahead and do this together. So as you squat down, you're gonna just squat down about 3/4 of the way. You're actually going to kick your feet back and jump into a push-up position. So from there, you're gonna push-up position. So now you're in this upright push-up position. From here, you're going to actually do a push-up, bringing that chest in between the palms, coming all the way back up. From this extended push-up positions, you're going to jump your feet up to your hands and then squat up, actually jump up, clap the hands up above. That is the full burpee. What we've done in the past on our tutorials is gone over the squat. So definitely check out that tutorial, and we've gone over the push-up. So now what we're doing is bringing that full tilt into a burpee. So again, what we got going on, you're pushing the hips back into a squat, jumping into a push-up position, push up, chest between the palms, coming back up, bringing the feet up to the hands, coming all the way up to a jumping jack there. So what we'll do is we'll do a few more here. So you're gonna come down all the way to push-up position, push up, bringing the feet up to the hands, jumping jack. Do another one here, push-up position, push up, feet to the hands, jumping jack. That is the burpee for Tutorial Tuesday. Definitely go over the technique, go over the last videos where we've gone over the squat and the push-up, bringing them together into a burpee, being able to add them into your own routine. So what I'd recommend to get into it is doing like 4 sets of 10 and just try that out. You'll see where your cardio is gonna be at with just doing that alone. Thank you for tuning in today. Go ahead and smash that like button. We have more workouts at cranefactor.com. Appreciate you guys tuning in today. See you in the next video. Welcome to Tutorial Tuesday. I'll do this again. Blah, 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 blah.